as much as it is important to dress the way you want to be addressed. In this digital age, it has become even more important to write the way you want to be addressed. Hi, my name is Ezinne Edet. I'm a creative writer and editor who helps writers find their voice and earn from their skill. I've trained over 1,000 writers in creative writing, brand storytelling, and content creation. So, whether you're writing for passion or for a living, on this channel you'll find weekly creative writing tips, storytelling tips, content writing tips, book writing tips, self-publishing tips, writing monetization tips, as well as tools and resources to help you write better. What are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you will be the first to know anytime I post a new video.